Welcome to 4083 East Eaglescliffe at Highland Springs Country Club. Just look at what's behind me. Impressive, isn't it? Well, you ain't seen nothing yet. The first step inside the front door will leave you breathless. The polished limestone floors, the hand-painted columns, and a fully remote-controlled Lutron light system that lets you set the perfect mood. I'll show you more on that a little bit later, but first, let's take a look around. And there's plenty to see with all of this living space. You know, the owners tell me that this is their absolute favorite room with a wide open view of blue sky and golf course. This is your center of relaxation and entertainment. There's plenty of space for friends and family to spread out too, and it's adjacent to the expansive kitchen with gas stove, sub-zero refrigerator and freezer, and so much custom cabinetry and storage space, you'll never run out of room. Want to take the party outside? Enjoy the relaxing patio, hot tub with privacy wall. Oh, and in the spring, this arbor is adorned with blooming wisteria, and it all overlooks the 18th tee here at Highland Springs. The primary suite is lush and spacious with a gas fireplace, his and hers cedar-lined walk-in closets, and an adjacent room for a library or office space. Upstairs, you'll find even more space for relaxation with a view. 3 more bedrooms, and check out this balcony. It offers the perfect view of the 4th of July fireworks, golf tournaments, and even the occasional visit from deer and wild turkey. Downstairs from the main floor, a large second living area that's perfect for a private gym or even a media room. This home also boasts a 3-car garage, gorgeous landscaping, even a heated roof to protect from ice and snow in the winter. And speaking of heat, remember the entryway? The floors just off the entryway are heated too. But don't spend your time looking down. Look up. This showplace of a home lights up as the sun goes down. If you think this is the dream home you've been looking for, come see it for yourself. Call us at the office of Patrick Murney at 417-575-1208.